Now let's think about what happens when our number looks like this. So we've got something times 10 to the minus n. So what do I mean by that? So if I say 10 times 10 to the minus n, that's equivalent to dividing by 10 n times. So for example, if we've got times 10 to the minus 4, that's the same as divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10. That's 4 times, and so that's the same as dividing by 10,000 if we put all those together. And that's also equivalent to saying times 1 over 10. So 1 over 10 is the same as times 1 over 10 is the same as divided by 10. It can be useful to think of it in that way sometimes too. Alright, so let's do some examples as before. So we're going again from scientific notation and between that and decimal notation. So for example, here's our one from before, so 5 times 10 to the 4. So that's 5 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, or 50,000. Oops. 50,000. But how about if we've got 5 times 10 to the minus 4, so that's 5 divided by 10 4 times. So that would give us 0.005. If we divide 5 by 10,000, that gives us 0.005. Or how about if we've got 1.2 times 10 to the minus 6, so that gives us 1.2 divided by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, which is 0.00000012 if you do all the dividing. Okay, so it's just the same idea as before, and you'll notice that all these numbers with the negative exponents are smaller than 1. I think that is worth saying. So it is. So this will give us a number probably that is numbers are smaller than 1. Right, so similar as before, the shortcut here. So if we want to go from scientific notation to decimal notation, you move the decimal point n spaces to the left, so it's the other way than before. So let's just do these examples. So here we've got 5 times 10 to the 4. So here what I do, 5 times 10 to the 4, and I would write this over here. So it's 5.0, remember? The decimal point goes here, and then we move it 10 to the minus 4. So then we move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces this way, and then we add a 0 at the beginning and a decimal point. That's 0.0005. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I wrote it wrong here, sorry. Apologies. And then we've got same idea, 1.2 times 10 to the minus 6. So again, write it over here on this side of the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our decimal point goes there with a 0 behind it, and again we fill in all the zeros. This is the same, gives us the same answer as over there. Yeah, and again we can do it the other way. So we're going from decimal notation to scientific notation. So there, let's imagine we've got I don't know, 0.0075, for example, and let's say we want to have this in scientific notation, so I'd have to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 to get it to this sensible place, so that would say 7.5 times 10 to the minus 3. 1, 2, 3.